Hola amigos, we are back and today we're going to give you an equipment update, but also I just wanted to start off with some footage of some of the microfauna that we see when we're out there cleaning. So I just love being able to see some of the smaller and slower creatures kind of do their thing. Check out this snail. Okay, equipment. Wes has a brand new BCD, or buoyancy control device. This is absolutely imperative to diving. It's what holds your air tank on, and it's what helps you control your buoyancy. We got a really good deal at $339 USD from a local shop. And so thank you, muchísimas gracias to the people who have donated so far and made this happen. We also got a dive watch and compass in lieu of a dive computer for the time being and a slate to communicate with each other. So here are the numbers. Our next big milestone purchase would be a regulator package for Wes. So if you can help us reach that milestone,